everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate destination for all things K-drama. Today, we have an exciting countdown for you. We are diving into the top 10 highest rated K-dramas of 2024. 10. Missing Crown Prince. Missing Crown Prince is a 2024 South Korean television series with a Yosin-era version of a romantic comedy. In drama, a crown prince who is mistakenly kidnapped by the family of the woman who he has been pledged to marry. While on the run for their lives, romance blossoms between the two. Expect hilarious situations and a touch of forbidden romance. 9. A Killer Paradox. When a college student accidentally kills two people, he finds himself chased by a cop who will stop at nothing to catch him. This exciting thriller, A Killer Paradox, will wrap you up with its intricate plot and interesting storyline. Sun Suk-koo and Lee Hee-jun, the cast of A Killer Paradox, is bloody and violent, but a promising escape from the usual romantic scenes that typically crowd Korean dramas. 8. Dr. Slump. Dr. Slump stars Park Shin-hye and Park Hyung-sik, with Yoon Park and Kong Seong-ha. The show has 16 episodes and a 7.4 IMDb rating. Yoo Jeng-woo and Nam Ha-neul are high school rivals. Jeng-woo becomes a famous plastic surgeon, while Ha-neul struggles as a doctor. When a patient dies, Jeng-woo has to leave his clinic and move to a new city to start over. He ends up living in Ha-neul's house and working at the same hospital. They argue a lot and try to bring each other down, but eventually, they fall in love. 7. The Atypical Family. The Atypical Family is 12-episode series, rated 7.5 on IMDb, follows Bok Gui-joo, who has the power to time travel but loses this ability after being diagnosed with depression. One day, he meets the mysterious Do Dahi, and they quickly form a strong connection. Gui-joo becomes convinced that Dahi is the key to helping him regain his lost powers. 6. Flex X Cop. Flex X Cop is 16-episode series, with a 7.9 IMDb rating, follows Jin Yi-soo, a wealthy chaebol who joins the police and is placed on the violent crimes team, led by the honest officer Lee Gang-hyeon. Gang-hyeon initially dislikes Yi-soo for using his wealth and connections in his investigations. However, when they start working together on a case, Yi-soo strives to improve and do better for the sake of gaining Gang-hyeon's respect. 5. Marry My Husband. The Korean drama, Marry My Husband, which featured aspects of time travel, passion, and revenge, kicked off the year 2024. According to the film's official website, Marry My Husband is a story about Ji Won-woo, after being killed by her husband who had an affair with her best friend, goes back 10 years in the past and has a chance to change her fate. It made history as the first Korean drama to top Amazon Prime Video's global daily TV program rankings since the platform's inception in 2016. In January 2024, it rose to second place, setting a new record in both daily and monthly rankings, cementing its status as a global smash K-drama. 4. A Shop for Killers. A Shop for Killers is 8-episode series, with an IMDb rating of 8.1. The story follows Young Ji-eun, who is raised by her uncle Young Jin after her parents' death. When Ji-eun receives a call from the police about her uncle's apparent suicide, she finds it hard to believe and travels to his home to uncover the truth. During her investigation, she encounters a group of assassins trying to kill her, a drama one of the best K-dramas of 2024. 3. Wonderful World. Wonderful World, starring Cha Yoon-woo and Kim Nam-joo, is a Korean drama about an author and professor whose life is turned upside down when her son is involved in a hit-and-run accident. Seeking justice becomes a challenging task, but her efforts lead her down a path where she commits a crime herself. According to Disney+, it is about a mystery unfolds as two individuals delve into the truth, offering each other solace along the way. 2. Queen of Tears. The Korean drama, Queen of Tears, which stars a star-studded ensemble, has become a global sensation. Currently, TVN's Queen of Tears has been recognized as the drama with the third highest ratings in TVN history. Queen of Tears is making it the most watched program of any kind to air on Sunday. The K-drama starring Kim Ji-won and Kim Soo-hyun is about the queen of department stores and her small-town husband face a marital crisis until love miraculously begins to bloom again. 1. Lovely Runner. Lovely Runner has 16 episodes and an IMDb rating of 9.1. The story follows popular star Yoo Sun-jae, who tragically dies. His biggest fan, Im Sol, is devastated by his death. One day, she mysteriously travels back in time and is shocked to find Sun-jae still alive. Determined to save him, she promises to change the events that will lead to his future death. Lovely Runner is based on the web novel The Best of Tomorrow by Kim Bi-bang. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe and get notified.